Today, we are going to look at how you can lose belly fats without exercising. Some people, you are struggling to lose belly fats, but you don't know the best recipe you can take at home in order to lose belly fats without exercising. So today I decided to come and show you one of the best ingredients you can mix at home in order to lose belly fats without exercising. Trust me, this recipe is going to help you to lose belly fats without exercising, because I discovered that some people would like to lose belly fats without exercising because people hate working out. So today I decided to show you the best ingredients you can make or you can mix at home in order to lose belly fats without exercising. So without wasting time, my dear, let us go to our preparation right now. You have to make sure that you remove the seeds from your green pepper, guys. So if you hate exercising, this home recipe will melt your belly fats, and trust me, in 2 weeks, some people in 4 weeks, if you are lucky in 1 week, you won't be seeing belly fats. So you just need to know how to make this home recipe at home, okay? But don't forget to subscribe if you have never subscribed, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda, and of course, if you are seeing this video on TikTok, you can go to YouTube and look for Family TV Uganda. Do the same with cucumber, with grating it. Trust me, when you hate exercising, this is a powerful way you can reduce your belly fats, okay? From that, I want you to get for me fresh ginger. Make sure that you get at least a piece, which is enough for you to proceed with your home remedy. And don't forget to remove the outer parts of your fresh ginger, guys. But please, if you love such videos, why not subscribe if you have not yet subscribed? If you are seeing this video on TikTok, please go to YouTube, look for Family TV Uganda and subscribe. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge. I don't charge people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you're on TikTok, just go to my TikTok bio. There's a link for my YouTube channel. Click on that link. It will take you to YouTube and subscribe. The same to you on Facebook. If you love my videos, by the way, go to YouTube, look for Family TV Uganda and subscribe. For easier subscribing, the link for my YouTube channel is in my Facebook account. Visit for easier subscribing. Remember, I need your support. So guys, support me on YouTube. Just go and look for Family TV Uganda, guys. After grating your ingredients, I want you to get for me hot boiled water. Okay, add it to your grated ingredients and try to mix somehow, guys. Okay, but don't forget, you are supposed to cover your home recipe at least for 2 minutes, guys. So make sure that you cover it for 2 minutes. Okay. After, I want you to get for me lemon, get its juice. Okay, you can get a half piece of lemon, or you can get the whole piece of lemon. So get its juice, add it to your juice which you have made, guys. But please keep watching this video up the end, because I'm going to tell you more about this home recipe, when to drink it. So keep watching, guys. Before I tell you when to drink this recipe, my dear, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, you are losing a lot. First, subscribe right now, immediately, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Remember, subscribing is for free, and when you subscribe, my dear, trust me, you won't miss any video from this YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda. And besides that, why not, you can share this video to your friends, okay, to your family members, in WhatsApp groups, on Facebook, Instagram. My dear, you are allowed to share this video. Okay, so just help me and share this video to your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Okay, so as you see, this is our best remedy ever to lose belly fats without exercising. But don't forget that this recipe doesn't have overdose, and when it comes to melting your belly fats, it's the #1. So what are you going to do? I want you to drink this recipe when it's warm, not hot, but when it's warm. So drink it when you have just woken up from your bed. It means when you have not eaten anything. That means you have to drink this home recipe very early in the morning before eating anything. Trust me, when you drink it every day, when you take it every day, at least in 4 weeks, you'll be seeing a serious results when it comes to your stomach. So stop yearning to lose belly fats without exercising. You just need this powerful drink to help you to melt your belly fats. Trust me, this is a powerful drink which you need, and it doesn't have overdose. So you just need to buy your ingredients, put them in your house, and take this recipe every day. In 4 weeks, you'll be having a serious change when it comes to your stomach. And by the way, some people, they are lucky, they start seeing results in 2 weeks. But because we are different people, some people in 2 weeks, some people in 3 weeks, some people in 4 weeks. So I don't know, but you can try it out, guys. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to give a like this video, to invite your friends to our YouTube channel, Primitive Uganda. I love you so much. But let me first take it, and then we continue. Yes, you too, you can take it and lose your belly fats in 4 weeks. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again.